Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juvita. Ngayon, magluluto tayo ng spaghetti. The ingredients are spaghetti pasta, chicken mince, spaghetti sauce, tomato paste, capsicum, carrots, Eden cheese, 1 small onion, 1 whole garlic, soy sauce, salt, pepper, sugar, cooking oil, and my favorite, it's optional, magic sarap. Una, hiwain natin ang sibuyas. Ngayon, bawang. Hiwain natin ng maliliit lang siya. Maliliit. Yung spaghetti na to, kung ano lang yung nasa ref, kasi nagki-crave ako ngayon. So, itong spaghetti na to na may vegetable, carrots, tsaka capsicum. Filipino spaghetti, nalalagyan nila ng hotdog, mushroom. Pero kung ngayon wala akong stock ngayon, so kung ano lang yung stock sa ref, yun lang yung ilalagay ko kasi nga nag-crave ako. Colorful, di ba? May yellow and red capsicum. Kasi pag ito nasa spaghetti na hindi na malalasahan ng mga bata to. Maliliit lang. Now, let's prepare the spaghetti sauce. We'll just put oil, then add garlic, onion, let's add the minced chicken. Let's just mix. Ang bango! Nice smell! Ayan. Lutuin lang natin siya. The water has to go. Then we will put the seasoning. Just keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. Now, let's add the seasoning. Let's add salt. Pepper. Soy sauce. I just add soy sauce to add taste. Then now let's add tomato paste. To make it colorful. Now let's add the vegetable carrots. And capsicum. Look at it. It's so colorful. Now, let's add the spaghetti sauce. Just only half. Half of it. let's add cream. It's optional if you want to add cream or not. It depends on you. Just half. That's it. And just mix it. Now let's add Eden cheese. Let it melt. Add sugar. The secret seasoning is magic sarap. I just put half on it and mix it. Let's taste it. It's tasty. Now it's done. Now let's cook the spaghetti pasta. You just put water and add salt and cooking oil. I have that ready. Now let's put pasta. You need to turn the spaghetti pasta. For me, I like the spaghetti pasta will be al dente. I don't like too soft. Let's check if it's cooked. Pasta is cooked. Let's rinse it. Spaghetti is here. I rinse it with cold water. Let's taste the spaghetti. It looks creamy and yummy. Let's try. It's tasty and creamy and yummy. And I'm so hungry. I hope you like the video. Come back for the next video. Thank you for watching.